dia tak buka a new tab. So you have only one, right? Okay, you dah login, you dah click online class, you are looking at me now, right? It's on the Google Meet. Then how to go again? So you have to open up another tab. What does it mean by opening up another tab? Okay, let me stop sharing and reshare my screen. I'm going to share with you my entire laptop. Okay, so you can see. Okay, so this is how my laptop looks now. You can see yourself, ah. Okay, so you see my browser kat atas ni? I ada the Google Meet and then I also have the EduReach. Okay, so when I click on my EduReach, what I was saying is I click on online class, it opens up a new browser. But let's say dia tak open up a new browser, then you just add a new tab. You open up and go again to the edureachlearn.com page. You nak kena buka multiple of it. Then again you log in, or you already log in, right? Then you straight away go to the 6 standard math. That's what you're supposed to do lah, okay? So for example, macam I sekarang, primary 6 standard maths. Kan last week I wanted you to do the quiz. What did I ask you to do? Quiz on what?
Percentage.
Percentage kan? So you're supposed to scroll down, right? Yes, you will see all these things macam the online class again on the left side. Tapi on the right side, you will see all the different chapters. And then you will see chapter 2 percentage. You can click on the topics. Dia ada macam-macam topics kan? Did anyone do the quiz?
No, but when I try to press the quiz, like when you go now, right, like it does not like press. Like,
Okay, so let's say macam I click on quiz 2.1. Okay, I click. Then, do you see error or it just doesn't move on?
It doesn't move on. Like,
Oh, okay. Because it should move on and then you can see start quiz here. Then you will see 10 questions on the screen. Do you guys want to try again now? Okay, let me stop presenting. Okay, let's try. Everybody try because maybe not everybody managed to log in. Oh, wait. Umar is here. Eh? Uh-oh. Where's Umar? He left. Okay, let's wait for him to call back in. The rest of you try to log into the quiz. It's important for you to go on to the quiz, right? So that you can try all the basic questions from there. Hi, Umar. How long you are able to log in to the LMS and see the quiz now?
Yeah, but then it don't want to on. I click then it just
So the quiz 2.1 doesn't work. You cannot go into the quiz. How about Shahad?
I press it become like it like wait.
Shayan boleh tak? Masih tak boleh?
no, like, do I go out like here? Do I press the top left button or something? Because you say to use Chrome, you have to press.
Yeah. When you go to the other tab, nanti you punya video akan turn off, but it's okay. You have to go to the other tab.
Wait, so we go check percentage.
Yeah, we do. I want you to do the 2.1. Syahada boleh tak click on the 2.1 punya quiz?
Wait, then I must go to another page, right? Like open another tab or something.
Yeah, correct. Open another tab.
Okay.
My one I can still do in the same tab.
Okay, okay. And I can still see you.
I'm in already.
Okay, good. All right. So you see the 10 questions, can? Now you can start doing the questions then. So you put in the answer in the gray box and then press on. Next. Hi, Umar. Okay, Umar, are you able to log in to the edurichlearn.com or not? Did you have issues? Because I am helping everybody to log in. Can, ah? Okay, good. You do
Is that
the
on?
quiz?
I don't know. My one like cannot. I press but then it just go back to normal, like never move. Never go in.
Okay. How about Cheyenne? Boleh?
Yeah.
You can see the 2.1 quiz already lah. You can start doing
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, good.
Okay. I can.
My question 1 and your question 1 will be different. Pasal the system jumble up the whole, all the 10 questions. So my question 1 could be like your question number 5 or 8. Okay? So never mind. Just do all the 10 questions. Okay, when you finish, press submit. Then the system will show you what's your score.
Wait.
So definitely you need your pen and paper to write down and do working, your calculator to do working. Okay? You just need to put the final answer in the gray box. So Umar, that's what I want you guys to do. The quiz 2.1. You dah buat 2.1 belum, Umar? Kalau you dah buat 2.1, you can do 2.2 pula. Okay? Last week I do, but I forgot which one. Okay. Maybe you did the 2.1. I will check on my end. You try and do the 2.2 first, can? Umar?
I'm still doing 2.1.
Okay, can. You finish one, then you let me know so that I can check. Actually, I can check on my end. I try to see what's your score. Okay, Adam is okay. Hi, Adam. Oops. Hi, Adam. Adam, we are going to the website edurichlearn.com to do the quiz. The quiz on percentage. I asked you guys to do as homework, but I'm not sure if you did or if you were able to log in. So can you try again? Shayan dah boleh kan?
Yeah, I can already.
Okay. Syada pun boleh kan? Haula, you still cannot see, right? So somehow, Haula, yours, I don't know why you cannot see. Are you using a laptop or an iPad?
Laptop.
Laptop.
Madam Nadia,
Yeah.
is it if like you have like $64, right? Then like, you have to minus it, then there's a apa ni discount like 40%. Like how do you do it?
First of all, you cannot take dollar minus percentage, right? So you have to ask yourself that percentage is equivalent to how many dollars? Whatever money you have at first is always how many percent?
100.
100. So you can use like unit method. 100% arrow, $64. Then you always find 1 unit. So in this case, it's 1%. How to find? Habis discount dia 20% ke whatever, then you find 20% discount. And then you can minus off. Okay?
Okay.
Adam, are you there? Kalau you cannot unmute, then you can type on the chat. Don't worry, guys. After you do, right, you submit, we'll go through together. Okay? So those that you got wrong, at least you know how to do.
Is
The
that
one,
is that one you need? Is that after you put 100 is 64? Then you have to divide it.
yes, you have to divide. To find one, you must always divide.
But it has a decimal. You take 100 divided by 60.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. The decimal is not very funny. It's only 2 decimal places, kan?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
64. Okay, what do you divide? What divide by what?
100 year or 64?
No, you have to take 64 divide by 100. Terbalik. Always the right side, 64, divide by the left side, 100.
Then equal to 0.64.
Yes. 1% is 0.64. Paula, can you see your screen already? If not, I will have to share my screen. Then you and Adam
Working
have
now.
to read my screen. What?
It's working now.
It's working now. Okay. Adam, what is the error you see, Adam? You have to type
But
in the
I
chat.
have to do it on my phone.
Oh, last week also, I think you did that, right? You
No.
used 2 devices.
Yeah.
So you're doing the quiz on your phone.
Yes.
Okay.
Then you divide then what you do?
And then how much is how much discount is it in the question? What's given?
40% discount.
40%. So ask yourself, 40%, how many dollars? How to find? If 1 unit is 64 cents, 40% is
64 times 40.
not 64 but 0.64 kan?
0.64 times 40.
Yeah, 0.64 times 40. So that you can find the discount in dollars.
Then that's the answer.
What are they asking for? Are they asking for the discount or price after discount?
Price, like how much is the backpack? She only say 40% of the backpack price. Like how much does she have?
So how? So if you have a discount, you will pay less or more?
Less
Less. So what should you do?
minus.
Yes. Oh, sorry Ni bukan discount. I'm looking at your question now. Yeah, let me sorry. I think I give you wrong information. Yeah, I understand wrongly. Jap. Let me share the screen. This is what Shayan's question. That is his first question. Correct or not? This question, Shayan? Can see not?
No, I cannot see.
Cannot see. But is Jessie had $64,
Yeah.
betul? She wants to buy a new backpack, but she has only saved 40%. Maknanya dia ada duit 40% aja. She doesn't have $64. So the money that she have, $64, is 40%. That's what the question is about.
Oh, so she saves
64 divided by 40.
64 divided by 40, correct. Yeah. 64 divided by 40. Because the money she have, $64, is what she managed to save for the backpack, which is only 40%. Okay? So let me put it on the chat as well. Yeah. So question on Jessie, in case you missed what I said. 40% is $64. Okay, so I put it on the chat. Then from there, you got to solve and find out the price of the backpack. So the backpack, there is no discount, okay, on this question, not about discount. So the backpack is 100%. How to find 100%? Yes, Shahada?
I'm at question 9, and my question is Jane bought some money from the bank to buy a car. I don't know how to do that one.
Okay. So Jane borrowed some money from the bank to buy a car. She has paid back 12.5% of it so far. If she paid back 2,500 of it so far, how much did she borrow? Do you see that they repeat the words paid back? Paid back 12.5%. Paid back 2,500. So it means that 12.5% is 2,500. Okay, so let me write on this on the chat. Question on Jane borrow money from bank to buy a car.
Then if 1% is 200, but then 100% minus 12.5% is
Okay, so she borrowed some money to buy the car, right? That means she must have borrowed 100%. The question is asking how much did she borrow is for 100%. You need 100% of that money to buy the car. So kalau 12.5% is 2,500, what is 1% tadi you cakap?
200.
Okay, because you must take 2,500 divide by 12.5, right? So 1%, 200. Maknanya kalau 100%, you have to take 200 times
200,000.
100.
So then Nadia, after you divide by 64 divide by 40, then that's the answer.
No, that is only for 1%, Shayan. You have to find for 100%. Shahada, it's not 200,000 tau. There's only 4 zeros, okay? It's 20,000, not 200,000. Huh? Shayan, tell me what's your answer? What's your 100%?
I'm still doing it.
Oh, okay.
I got 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10 for the quiz. Okay, can. You go through and then tell me which one you get wrong. Then I will go through.
Question 2, 6, and 7.
Alamak, you have to tell me. Question 2 about what? Oh, you're on mute.
The second question say that Janelle lost 45% of her old weight from exercise.
Can.
If she
Found it.
lost,
The one on my screen now.
yeah,
Okay. Okay, sekejap eh. Okay. What's your next question you dapat wrong?
Dave put a 22% deposit of 20,020 on a car. How
Okay,
much is the
can. Okay, pasal Dave. Deposit question. Okay, and then the last question?
Jenny bought a new laptop recently. She was given a 5 discount of 90. How
Okay,
much did she pay?
can. Jenny question. Okay.
Why the thing that you share so small?
Is it still small?
Can you
Like
zoom
that?
in?
Better?
Yeah.
Ada, you can zoom in on your own.
What did Haula say?
She said I can zoom in.
Haula, you managed to do already? What is 67 eh?
I can also zoom in.
You can zoom in, okay. Haula, what is that you write? Ha ha ha. Did I say that?
No, Shahada said it.
Apa je? Shaya, you managed to get the answer for the Jane borrow money one?
It's Jessie, not Jane.
Jessie Oh, salah. Um, Jessie, salah. Salah cakap. Jessie, so you got 1% tadi, 64 cents kan?
Mhm.
So kalau 100%, 100 times 64 cents, yeah. Then what do you get?
Go ahead.
Actually, sekejap 64 divided by 40 tau. On the chart, I already put the money $64 is 40%. So nak find 1%, you nak kena take 64 divided by 40.
It equals to 1.6.
1.6. Yeah, 1%, 1.6. Kalau 100%,
100 times 1.6.
yes. Then your answer will be
Yeah. 160.
correct. Okay, that will be the correct answer. Okay, Umar, Adam, and Haula, do you need any help so far? Which question? Shahada dah habis. She wants me to help her on 3 questions. But before I go through her 3 questions, I nak you try dulu. In case you dapat salah, then can go through together. Shayan, which question are you at now?
Wait, okay, wait. Now I'm at the Jane borrowed money from the bank.
Okay. Which question is that for you? Is it number 2 or number 3?
Number 2.
Number 2, okay, can. Okay, so I already write on the chat, Jane borrowed money from bank to buy a car. Whatever she pay, 12.5% is that $2,500. So again, fine for 1%, then fine for 100%. Can I give you guys another like 15 minutes to try finish the rest of the question? Dia semua macam gini kan. So you need to ask yourself, this percentage is how much? Then find 1%, then find something to find to solve the question. Semua pakai macam unit method gitu. Adam, Haula, and Umar, let me know, okay, if you have any questions.
64. Oh, okay. Is it 2,500 divided by 100?
Again, sorry?
Is it 2,500 divided by 100?
No.
One
2,500 is how many percent? He pay back. Right? The question ada that keyword pasal payback. Sekejap let me find that question. This one. Jane borrowed some money, right? Okay, she has paid back 12.5% so far. If she paid back 2,500 of it, so it's the same words. Paid back 12.5%, paid back 2,500. It means that these two numbers are equivalent. 12.5% is 2,500. So kalau you nak cari 1%, you nak kena divide these two numbers. 2,005, right hand side, divide by 12.5. That will give you 1%.
Equals 200.
Okay. Then, is that your final answer?
No.
No, right? They said, how much did she borrow? She borrowed all the money, 100%, to buy the car. So you have to find for 100%. So 100% will have to times 100 times
100.
200. Kan tadi you dapat 1% 200. So 100 times 200.
$2,000.
20,000, right? Ada 4 zeros.
$20,000.
Yes, $20,000.
She borrowed so much. So $20,000 is the answer.
Yeah.
You put oh, I think this one is a short one. The
What's your next question, Shayan?
it's about this.
Oh, okay. So Shahada also needed help on Dave question. Okay, you try first, Shayan. How's Haula, Adam, and Umar doing?
Man, yeah, I'm done with question. The this question.
You got correct or not? Or you don't know yet? Okay. What's your answer, by the way?
What 51,000.
51,000.
90.
91,000.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because
Yeah.
I take the 20,000 divided by the 20, then times 100.
Then times by
100.
100. Correct. Good. Yes, Shayan. Correct. Shahada, the question on Dave put a 22% deposit of $20,000 and $20,020 on a car. Dia punya English dia quite tricky. Actually, put a 22% deposit is the same as put a deposit of $20,020. Meaning 22% is 20,020.
Because 910, like 20020 divided by 22 is 9. Then
Yes. Then find for 100% because you probably have to borrow 100% to pay the car, right? The car is 100%.
Answer correct.
Yeah, your answer is
So-
correct.
is it 91000?
Yes. Umar, you're doing 2.2, I know. Because you say you do 2.1 already, is it? You can do 2.2 first. Yeah, he do already. That's why he's doing 2.2. Yeah, it's okay, Umar. You do your 2.2 first. We'll reach there soon. Your friends haven't do 2.1. That's why diorang tengah buat 2.1. Okay. You're the only good student. Just continue doing first, okay? Yeah. Later you tell me which one you get wrong, then I will go through, can? You just type in the chat. I need like the first few words of the question. Pasal kita punya question semua jumble up. Okay? Adam, all okay?
I'm ready at the Gary question.
At the Jenny question
No, Gary.
Gary. Who is Gary? Sekejap Mana? Oh, this one. Okay. Gary spent $3 during recess in school, which was 25% of what was in his wallet.
$3.
So
No,
that means
$3
$3 is 25%. So kalau 25% is $3, how about all the money in his wallet? So they're actually asking for at first lah, right? Before he spent. All the money in his wallet at first must be 100%. So you buat the same step. Kan? 25%, $3. 1%, how?
Okay, fine. But
Okay.
then just now I take 25 divided by 3, they give me a lot of decimal.
A lot of decimal lah. Okay, wait Gary spent $3 question. So 25%, $3. Okay. So sometimes you will see this happening, right? When you take $3 divided by 25. Actually, you divide again, what you get?
3.33333.
You take 25 divided by 3 ke 3 divided by 25?
25 divided by 3.
No, always take right side. You see how I write kan? 25%, arrow 3 kan? So always take the number on the right side. Tangan kanan, $3. Then you divide by 25. Okay? Even though it's a small number, it's okay. You all have learned fractions, decimals back in P5, P4 kan? You try on your calculator. 3 divided by 25. What you get?
0.12.
0.12 kan? That meaning macam 1%, 12 cents. So how to find?
12 times 100
Yes, 0.12
times 100.
times 100. Then you get
Okay, 12.
12, correct. So how much did Gary have? $12. All right, Umar, good job. 6 out of 10. So that's your score for 2.2, huh? Okay, Ken. Can you tell me which one you get wrong, Umar? Maybe the name of the person. You just type in the name of the person. I think different questions have different names. So we'll just go by name.
Oh, shit.
Okay. Sorry, Shahada. I know I still owe you 2 questions. The Danielle lost 45% of her old weight, and Jenny.
I'm also,
Can?
I'm also at Daniel.
You're not at Jenny. Okay.
No, Daniel.
Oh, Daniel, sorry. Daniel lost 45% of her old weight from exercise. Wow. If she lost 27 kilogram, how much did she weigh at first?
Must take 45 divided by 27.
Okay, so 45% is that 27 kilo she lost, right? So I will write on my paper like this. 45%, 27 kilo. So want to find 1%, take right hand side. That means 27 divide by 45. Okay, terbalik tadi, Shayan. 27 divide by 45. 0.6. How much she weighed at first is always how many percent?
100.
100. So how to find 100?
100 times 0.6.
Correct. So answer is
60.
yes. Shahada, you got what I said pasal Daniel make question? Yeah. Right? Umar, I got your message. Yeah. Sally, Max, Jerry, and girls and boys. Okay, can. Nanti kita cari that question, okay? All right. So I still owe Shahada one more question on Jenny and her laptop. Okay. Shahada, maybe you want to, let's not waste time. You want to start doing quiz 2.2 dulu? Umar is already doing. So let's start doing. Umar dah habis pun actually 2.2. Shayan, what's your next question?
The 20 people.
20 people, okay. Pasal pets. Okay.
Is that apa ni 20 equals to 16. Then after that take 16 divided by 20 times 100.
What divide by what?
So 20 is 16, right? Then you take 60.
So you kena tulis sama like how we've been writing kan? 16%, 20. Kalau 1%, 20 divided by 16.
Wait, so I do 2.2.
Yes, Shahada. You do 2.2 dulu. Sekejap I want to see what Umar can do. Umar has finished 2.2. Umar, if you want, you can start doing the word problems 2.3 just as a practice for you. Okay. Actually, today I nak focus on 2.1 sahaja. Yeah, but never mind. Since you have done 2.2, it's also it's good lah because it's about percentage increase and decrease kan? What we have covered last 2 weeks. Yeah. So if you are doing 2.3, you are like definitely a step ahead of your friends, which is very, very good, right? Give yourself more practice. I tak ada banyak time. That's why I have to focus on what is most important for now. Okay. So yeah, I will help the rest with their 2.1 first. Then go to your 2.2 yang you dapat salah tadi. Okay. Umar, sorry give us a bit more time. Okay. Shayan, which question are you at? Number 6 ke number 7?
Number 8.
Yours is 8. Okay,
I
good.
do myself. I can do myself.
Okay.
Madam Nadira,
Yep.
sorry, my account cannot work.
Your what cannot work?
My EduReach account.
How come? I need to ask Madam Sharifah to look at your account
Okay, look.
because I am not the IT person. So if you have problems logging in, I need to escalate to her already.
Suddenly
Just
it
now
just
can work
automatic.
Just now can work, right?
Yeah. Suddenly
Then suddenly cannot. The one that when you use your iPad, you cannot click on it. Right? Just now you say you
No.
click on the blue link doesn't work, right?
Yeah.
Is it like your pop-up blocker or something? Can you get is your mom or dad at home? Maybe it's like pop-up blocker. Like they're trying to pop up
They say
another
it's not the device problem, it's the account.
account problem.
Yeah. Because it happened to all the devices I use with my account.
But it's quite weird that it's an account problem because all your friends can log in. Nanti I will have to ask Madam Shah. For now, you just look at my screen and do from my screen. Paula, I have a
Then
question
Nadira,
now. Yeah.
is it I do 2.3?
Yeah, can you do 2.3?
But it's just notes.
It's just notes. Tak ada word problem 2.3.1, sorry. Dia ada
okay.
macam, dia ada 0.1 I think.
Which?
Yes,
I got 6 over 10.
you got 6. You got 6. Which ones you get wrong? The 25% of, okay,
Wait,
never mind. You tell me what you got wrong.
The 20 people, the 25, the Jenny and the Austin.
Jenny, you got wrong. Yeah. Jenny, I do if you can. Oh, Jenny, I belum buat dengan you. Jenny is what I owe Shahada also. Oops. Okay, let's go through the Jenny question. Haula, I'm showing a Jenny question on the screen. Jenny bought a new laptop recently. She was given a 5% discount of $90. Okay, so the question macam one of the other question, she was given a 5% discount. So the discount is 5%. You can also read it as she was given a discount of $90. Meaning 5% is the same as that $90. Okay? All right. So let me write down the Jenny laptop question. 5% discount is that $90. So find for 1%, which is 90 divided by 5. Then you want to find how much did she pay for the laptop. So the laptop must be 100%, kan? So 100 times your answer for 1%. So it should be $1,800 for that Jenny question. Okay. Shayan, what other questions did you get wrong?
But the apa ni, the the 20 pupils.
Okay, the 20 people. Okay, let me go through that one first. So guys, from this bunch of questions, you will realize that it's really about the English that they use in the question. So you have to be very careful about it. Okay? So 20 pupils in a batch have pets. If 16 of them have pets, so the 20 pupils is that 16% lah that have pets, right? So you will have to write on your paper, you have to write 16%, 20 pupils. So you have to find for 1%, which is 20 divided by 16. If you use your calculator, you will get 1.25. So if they want to know all the pupils, you will have to be 100%. So 100%, always 100 times your answer for 1%. Then it will be 125 pupils. Okay? Yes, Shayan?
No, I said the first.
And then Nadira,
Yes, Shada.
are you at 2.1 or 2.2?
I'm at 2.1. I'll be at 2.2 in like 3 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah, sekejap eh. Okay, Shayan, what else were you incorrect?
But the 20 pupils and the
20 people, I dah
25.
go through that. You got what I said about 20 peoples?
Yeah, 120 slides.
Okay, then what else? You dapat salah?
The 25% middle class.
The Rainbow Primary School.
Yeah.
Okay, so 25% of a class in a lecture room in Rainbow Primary School are boys. If there are 45 boys in the class. So same thing, that 25% is actually 45 boys. Okay, Rainbow Primary School. Okay, so I would write 25%, 45. So you want to find 1% always, right? Like your 1 unit. 45, right hand side, divide by left. 45 divide by 25. Then you get 1.8. All the students in the lecture room is always, everything will be 100%. So you need to times by 100. Then the answer would be 180. So there are two things. The English part of the question you need to understand so that you can write the correct equation in the first line. Second is you need to always remember which one divide by which one. Always right hand side, divide by left. Okay? Then you will get the correct answer. Okay. Shayan, any more that you got wrong? Or
Yeah.
I covered?
I got the Jen Young and the Austin.
Austin? Wrong also.
Yeah.
Okay, so I think this is the last one, Austin? Austin bought a jacket with 35% of his allowance if the jacket costs $70. The jacket is $70. So Austin paid $70 for the jacket. And that $70 is 35% of his allowance. All right, so Austin question, 35% is $70. So again, find for 1%, meaning 70 divided by 35, which gives you 2. Then find for 100%. Pasal they want how much allowance. That means all the money that Austin has. The answer should be $200.
Madam Nadira,
Yes,
can I go salam my father?
sure. We are going to do 2.2, quiz 2.2 next, but I'm not going to ask you to do on your own. Okay, I'm going to go through the 4 questions that Umar need help on. Okay, let's give Umar a chance pula. I banyak tolong Shayan and Syada kan. So now I want to help Umar pula on 2.2 punya quiz. So all you need to do now is to go back, okay, go back to the chapter 2 percentage and find 2.2 punya quiz. Okay, so if I were you kat sini kat atas ni kan, you can also click on chapter 2. All the blue links are clickable. So if I click on chapter 2,
The 1 kg of salmon increased to $17, then $22.
okay, sekejap let me click into 2.2. Okay, so again, my questions and your questions are all jumbled up. I need to find Umar's question on Sally, Max, and Jerry and the girls. Okay, so a few questions. Okay, so this is a Sally question. Okay, Sally bought a TV. Okay, let me besarkan sikit. At $4,500 after she realized there was a 10% decrease in the price. What was the original cost of the TV? So she must have bought it at a lower price, right? Because she realized there was a decrease in the price. So that's why she buy. So kalau the price went down, how many percent is that? So always remember your original price or original cost will always be how many percent?
100.
100%, correct. So if your original is 100%, okay, and there was a 10% decrease, how much did she pay?
100 divided by 10.
100 divide or 100 minus?
Minus.
Minus, right? Minus because decrease means go down, you minus. Meaning 90% is what she paid for, which is 4,500.
500.
You find for 1%. Okay, Shayan, 1%, what divide by what?
4,500 divided by 9.
4,500 divided by
9.
90. Correct. Good. So you get 50. Original cost, 100%. So 100 times 50, you should get $5,000. So that's how you solve the Sally question. Shahada, you managed to do the Sally question? Or not yet? Or done, you managed to get it correct, 5,000. Kena click, click, click.
I thought she put solat. Someone put solat.
I say salam.
Salam, bukan solat. Dia nak salam her dad.
Just now I wanted to ask you about the 2.2, not this question.
Not this question, okay. Sekejap We go through Umar's question first. Then let's say if I haven't go through yet, then you will tell me which one. Okay, next Umar question. Umar need help with Max. Siapa Max? Let's find Max. Who is Max? There. Max bought a book for $17.50. He decided he did not want it and sold it to his friend for $21. Wow. What was the percentage increase in the price of book? He sold it higher, so he get money, right? So the question want you to find percentage increase. Now remember percentage increase? to find your answer in percent, you need to have the change out of the original price. Then you times by 100. This is what we talked about, right? In class. So what is the change? From $17.50 become $21. You need to do what to these two numbers?
Minus.
Yes, you need to minus. Correct. What do you get when you minus?
Wait, ah.
Hmm.
I got
Yes, Adam? Adam, okay, Adam? You raise your hand. You need something? I cannot hear you. Accidentally, okay. Shaya, what was the answer? Is it $3.50?
Yeah.
Okay, so the change in price is by $3.50. But they don't want it to be in dollars. They want it to be in percent. So you need to put $3.50
times
divided by original price,
$70.
$7.50. Then you times by 100. Okay? You try to do that on your calculator. You should get 20.
2,000. Eh? About 2,000.
2,000. Okay, you type 100, don't put the percent punya, don't use the percent punya button
I never use.
Never use You try again. Do you put decimal point? 3.5.
No,
$3.50.
I put apa ni I think I put $17.50 divided by something.
No, it's terbalik. You need to put your change. Kan kalau kita tulis fraction, the numerator atas is the change. So $3.50 out of is like divide by the original. Denominator
must-
is
So must put denominator the dot must put.
denominator is 17.5.
So this one $3 is 3.5.
3.5 in the numerator, denominator 17.5, then times by 100.
Is it you must divide first?
No need. Are you using the fraction punya function? No.
No.
If you tak pakai fraction your function, you nak kena divide lah. 3.5 divided by 17.5 times 100. Then 20%. Yeah. So that is the answer. 20% increase. Okay, Umar? The answer is 20% increase. So there are two steps. First, you need to ask what is the increase in dollars? What is the change? Then put it as a percent. Okay? Two steps. Okay, next question. Jerry question. Mari kita cari Jerry.
For mine, Jen.
Mana Jerry Oh, this one Jerry and water. Okay. Got the Jerry question now. Okay. Jerry had 2 liters of water. He spilled some and was left with 850 ml of water. So you notice ada liters and ml. First of all, your conversion, right, your unit of measurement must be the same. So we change the liters into ml dulu. 1 liter, how many ml?
100. 1,000.
1,000. Okay. So kalau 2 liters, 2,000 ml. That's the first step. Make all the units of measurement the same. Second, he spilled and got only 850 ml left. So how much water spilled?
850 million cash flow. So 2000 minus 800.
Yes, 2,000, what you have at first, minus what you have balance. You need to minus. Okay, when you minus, then you get,
1,150.
that is the change. That is how much it went down by. But we need to put this in percentage. So again, 1150, the change divided by original. Original, we have 2,000. Then times by 100. What's your answer?
$57.5.
Yes, 57.5%. Okay. Umar, so far so good now, Umar. Okay. Then we still have girls and boys. Okay. The girls and boys. $800 girls and boys. I think this is the last question that he needs help
Yeah,
with.
this is what I want to ask you.
Okay, same question. Okay, Ken. Okay, last question before we go for our break, okay? There were 800 girls and boys at a party. Half were girls and the other half were boys. 40 girls and 60 boys joined. What was the percentage increase in girls and boys? So the question want you to put girls punya increase, boys punya increase. Individual, right? Got two blanks. First of all, you need to ask yourself how many girls and how many boys at first. So kalau you have 800 in total, half girl, half boys. That means to find the number of girls and the number of boys, you can divide by 2. Right? Okay, so let me put on the chat. Yes, 400, correct. Umar, okay. So total 800 girls, 400 boys, 400 at first. And let me type in the chat. Then 40 girls join. So if you want to find the percentage increase, the 40 girls who join, that is the change. Right? That is the change. So all you need to do is to take that 40 divided by the original girls 400, then you times by 100. Okay?
It's just
Hmm.
divide by
Then for boys, 60 boys join. So 60 boys is the change. Then you take 60
I got
divide.
40.
You get how much?
40
40 for what?
for girl.
Did you take 40 divided by 400
Yeah.
times 100? You should get 10%. You should get 10.
40 divided by 400, right?
Yes.
10 times 100.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. 10.
Okay. Then for the boys, also the same. The change is 60 because 60 boys join. So you do 60 divided by original 400, then times by 100.
15. 10.
15%. All right. So 10% and 15%. Okay.
So, how to do Mariam one?
Mariam question. Okay. Since your friend asked about Mariam question, let me quickly go through. Okay, then we can go for your break. There's two parts to this question. Mariam rolled a dice twice, and the results are shown below. The first throw is 6, second throw is 4. State the change in result. So the answer is it increase or decrease? So Shayan, the answer for part A is what? From 6 become 4.
Decrease.
Decrease, yeah. So now you have to express the percentage change. So I want to know what's the change in percent. It went down by how many?
By 2.
By 2, because 6 minus 4 equals to 2. That's the change. Then we need to put 2 divided by the original. Original, that means the first one. The first one is 6. Then you times by 100. Now, if you do that on your calculator, you will get a long number, 33.33333. So they want you to put to 1 decimal place. So your answer should just be 33.3. Tak boleh round up, kena round down, 33.3. Okay? Alright? So it's always the same thing, guys. Find the change. So sometimes it's given, sometimes you have to minus. Then you put it out of the original times by 100. Okay? Alright.
Madam Nadira,
Yes.
are we the only ones with the video on?
Shayan is also on and off. Haula, she off, but just now she was on. I think Umar and Adam, they can't on their camera. Yeah. It's okay. At least I get to see two of you consistently. Kalau tidak, I macam berbual dengan tembok. Kesian I. Alright, let's go for a 5-minute break. And then when we come back, we will do something else. Okay? Alright, thank you.
Hi, I'm gonna talk to Hala for a while.
Sure.
7. 6. Why you never on your camera?
Cause I don't know.
6, 7, 6, 7, 6. Let me show you something.
You have a phone? I can't see.
Oh, wait.
You can't see it. 6, 7. I can't hear you, bro.
Hold on. Look at my sign, Look at my sign language. Then you have to do the action,
Huh?
Chat.
Huh? What?
Look at the chat.
Chat.
Hold on. Look at the chat.
Yeah. Wait, do you have your mother's phone?
Girls, don't type anything on the chat because I want to use it for the lesson. Nanti confusing. Okay?
Yeah, Lasha.
Wait, I'm going to go somewhere for a while.
Madam Nadira. How long is the break?
In another 10 more seconds, okay? So we are ending our break already. Okay, guys, I hope you guys are back at your desk. Please come back. The next thing we want to do, I want to do speed maths. Do you have your speed math worksheet? Kind of go and find it first, okay? I think Niari speed maths. The boys are doing number 7, lesson 7, and the girls are doing 8. Tak salah I. I hope Shahada has her speed math worksheet. Okay. Wait, is Adam, Umar, and Shahada there yet? Oh dear. Okay, Umar is back. Okay. Alright, speed math, Umar. Kita buat speed math dulu, okay? Where's your worksheet? Take out your worksheet first. Never mind, the questions yang tadi you dapat salah tu, later we go through. Kita buat speed maths dulu. Alright, Adam is back also. Okay, we are going to do speed math. Boys lesson 7. Betul tak, Shayan? Haula lesson 8. Betul? Okay, if you are ready, is everybody ready? Can I see a thumbs up? I know Shayan and Haula are ready. How about Umar and Adam? You can use the thumbs up. Shahada. I hope she's coming back because I'm going to start the timer soon. Let me share with you my timer, okay? I cannot find. Okay. Umar, if you cannot find, take out your apa ni? Foolscap paper. Okay. So you are looking at my entire screen because I need to share my screen so that Umar can see the questions. Umar, can you see the question for lesson 7? You can write it down in your book, lesson 7. Okay, write down the question and do your working. Then when you find your worksheet, you can transfer your answers over. Okay, so I need to share with you 2 things. So I need to share with you the worksheet as well as a timer.
No, Nadira.
Yeah.
I found it already.
Oh, you found it already. Okay, good. So you don't need.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Shahada, are you back? Okay, Adam is back. Okay lah. Never mind then. Then I will we just start first lah.
Got someone fall down.
Why?
I don't know. I took it fall off.
Okay, let's focus on our speed maths. Okay, are you ready? Kegarisan. Sedia. Mula. The timer is already on the screen. Okay. Do it carefully, guys. It's not about speed, it's about accuracy. More of accuracy. Okay. Make sure you don't forget your zeros.
Wait, what's going on?
Shahda, we are already started on speed maths. I keep calling you. I don't know where you went. So you are lesson 8, right? Can you
Yeah.
take out your worksheet quickly and do lesson 8, speed math? We started like 47 seconds ago. So you still have time. Don't worry.
Um, 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 I think I lost it.
You lost it, huh? Yeah, last week you tak ada. I remember you didn't have it also. Okay. Yeah, I need to share my whole screen then. Okay. Yours is lesson 8. So, Shahada, you got to see my screen for the questions. Lesson 8 questions. You write down in your book, okay? When you finally find it, you can transfer your answers over. You are done with all the
So
questions, 8 questions, multiplication.
Yeah,
Did you use calculator or use manual working?
manual working.
So fast, ah. You want to check
Yeah,
your
so
work first?
Okay.
Because it's just 5 minutes and there are 8 questions. So need to make sure it's all accurate. I was just telling them that accuracy is ultimately most important than speed. Because kalau your exams, you buat cepat-cepat, you habis cepat-cepat paper tu pun, you tak boleh keluar exam hall. You have to sit there until everybody, when time's up, right? Everybody finish, time's up, then you can leave. So kalau you buat cepat-cepat, you rush through your work and you don't get it right when you know you can, right? Especially simple ones like this, then it's a waste of marks that you throw away just because you nak habis cepat. So let's not have that kind of mentality, okay? Kita nak buat things carefully, accurately. You should be striving for 8 out of 8. This is lesson number 8 or lesson number 7 for the boys. You need to already have 8 out of 8 for your multiplication. An improvement from your first few speed maths. Kan? Takkanlah kita nak stuck at 3 out of 8, 4 out of 8 je. Takkan kita nak stuck at 6 out of 8 je. You want to strive for all correct. Okay? You have time. We still have time. Sekejap Wait, hold on Adam, you finish already, You already put your timer on your paper, Make sure you check,
I'm done.
Okay. I will be showing you the answers for the speed math once everybody is done. Then you can mark your own work and give yourself the score. Then you let me know what's your score. Okay? All right? Okay. Hang in there. Some of your friends are still doing. Those who finish,
Working. I do the working at the side here.
okay.
Because I lost the other paper that I did last week. So I don't do on another paper. I just do the other.
Me also.
Okay. Okay. Let's give some of your friends a bit more time. Okay. So those who finish, you can go back to the LMS and continue doing your quiz. Tadi macam Syahada tengah buat 2.2, right? You can still do 2.2. Carry on, I mean. Haula, you can try to log in again. I will definitely highlight your case to Madam Shah and see how she can reset your account or something like that. Okay?
Can you repeat
I
what you
accidentally
said? Because
cancelled it.
Yeah. You have to do everything
I cannot
again.
hear you just now. Can you repeat what you said?
I say try to log in, try to redo the quiz, see if you can click on it again.
Oh, okay. Still doesn't work.
Okay lah.
Huh?
I'm sorry, I can't help you if it doesn't work. We'll try to get it reset or something. Then hopefully by next lesson, you can log in. Umar is done also. Okay, hold on. Let's give Shayan a bit more time. Be patient, guys. Thank you, Umar. Write down your timing on your paper also, okay?
Yeah, they are finished already.
Okay, good. Let me flash the answers then. Are you guys ready? Let me show you the answer for lesson 7 dulu, okay? Then the boys can mark. You can use a red pen or any other pen, okay? So that is clear.
Oh yeah. I did lesson 9.
Who did lesson 9?
Eh.
I have no words to say, Haula.
I didn't realize until after I was done. Can I just do lesson 8?
No, I will give you the answers for 9. You
So
did
can I
number
do-
9, right?
Yeah, so can I do 8 next week?
Yeah, of course. Okay, boys, mark your lesson 7. Then let me know on the chat what's your score, okay?
Wait, sorry, have you gone through lesson 8 yet?
No, not yet. Sabar. 7 first, then 8.
Madam Nadira, I typed
Yep.
something to you.
What is it?
I typed something to you in the group chat.
Okay. Boys, are you done already for lesson 7? I got the 2 scores, Shayan and Umar. Adam, what's your score? Adam dah mark. Shahada, why you cannot on the cam? I'm just curious. Is it slow connection when you on the cam or what?
Wait, I type.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Adam. Okay, I'm going to show the answer for lesson number 8. Okay, boys, don't take note. Next week, you will have your chance to do number 8. Okay, Shahada, you can mark your work.
Wait, teacher, how come it's out of 10?
No, it's out of 8. It's all 8 questions.
Okay, I already type.
Adam got 8 out of 10.
Adam put, oh yeah, Adam. I think it's 6 out of 8, is it? Maybe that's what he meant. Okay. Um, okay. Umar, I think you meant 6 out of 8 also, right? Or is it something else? Because Umar and Adam both put out of 10.
I got 7 out of 8.
Okay, thanks, Shahada.
Okay, now I can on my camera.
Okay, so you got 7, right? Is it? Haula, you did number 9, is it? Okay, now I will show the answer for number 9. Okay, there you go. Okay. All right. Okay, thank you, boys. I got all your scores already. Okay, Haula,
8.
you got all right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Good job. Okay, so we are done with speed maths. Okay.
Hello, Nadira. But
Yeah.
then only got 2 more speed math. So if when the speed math finish, then what we do? Like, we don't do
Don't
speed.
worry, we'll do other things. Mr. Shahdan will come up with other things. You know he will have new things for you guys, right? Yeah. Okay. All right. So we have done our LMS on percentage. We have done our speed math. We have only like 15 minutes left. So I don't really want to start on the remainder theorem because it'll be too rushing, right? But what I want to do is I want to share my screen with you. We are going to do a little bit more on percentage. Okay? What percentage again? You love percentage. Yeah, I love percentage. Okay, the reason is because percentage. So far what we have done, percentage ada banyak question, different kinds of question, right? So what we have done so far is just like 2 or 3 parts of it. Okay? We still need to make sure you are okay with the others. Okay. Let me share with you my screen. You tak payah, you don't have to use any book. Yeah, you just listen, correct. Just listen and type in the answer. Okay? Alright, because I will flash the question on the screen. Can? Okay. Alright, what if I ask you to find the value of this? What is 25% of 80? How do you find the value of this?
I know, can I answer?
Yes, you can. Okay, kita take turns, okay? Kita take turns. How about this? Okay, kita start with Syahada, then later Shayan pula, okay? Okay,
Okay.
Syahada dulu. Syahada, how do I do 25% of 80?
25 of 100 times 80.
25 out of 100 times 80. Very good. Yeah. So you need to remember just now we are always trying to find our answer in percentage. Sekarang we need to find the actual value in dollars, right? So your percentage, you can always write it as a fraction, which is 25 out of your magic number 25. Of, the word of in maths represents times, then 80 out of 1. Okay, I can write it like a fraction form. Now, if you use your calculator, what will you get?
20.
$20. Thank you, Shahada. Okay, the next one, Shayan. Just now you raise up your hand, kan? How do you solve part B? 6% of 250 cm.
Mm,
So your percent, how do you write it?
uh,
Sorry?
6 out of
6 out of
100
100, the magic number. Okay, then the word of means
times.
times 250 out of 1. Okay, can you use your calculator? Find out for me what's the answer for this. How many cm? Lepas ni, I want...
15.
Thank you, Shayan. Correct. Okay, after this, I want Adam to answer, okay? Adam, the answer should be, for part B, it's 15. Okay, not 30. All right, never mind, Adam. Let's try again. Adam, next question. Part C. What is 80% of 90 liters? 80% of
Of 100 times 90. Oh, sorry.
what times 90? Sorry.
80 of 100 times 90 of 1.
Correct. Then calculate for me.
$72.
Yes, correct. Well done. Okay. Umar, you want to go next? Half percent can, okay. Half percent of 200 kilogram. What is half percent of 200 kilogram? You can type it out if you cannot unmute, okay? It's quite odd kita ada macam fraction in a percentage. Okay, good try, good try. So Umar says half times 200 out of 1. Now, the percent is half, kan? Macam tadi, 80% kita tulis, we take that number 80, put in the numerator, then out of 100. Sekarang, it still must have out of 100 because you are getting rid of percentage. So that means the half, you can put half in the numerator. Oh, how does this work? So on your calculator, okay, this doesn't look right. Betul tak? Okay, but you all know half, you can also write it like decimal. Betul? You all know half is the same as 0.5. Do you guys know that?
0.5.
So you can replace half with 0.5. So it looks a little bit more normal. Okay. Even though you and I know that kita jarang nampak decimal in fraction kan, but never mind. 0.5, remember the line out of line means divide. So on your calculator, you put 0.5 divided by 100 times 200 out of 1. Then what will you get? The answer should be Adam, you're right. I thought you couldn't use decimal in fraction. Yeah, you cannot, but you can. Okay, you cannot leave your answer with a decimal in a fraction.
Teacher, is
But
that one? Is that 1 kg?
yes, it's 1. The answer is 1. Okay, tapi kalau working wise, you can have a decimal in your working. That's fine. Tapi final answer tak boleh ada decimal in your fraction. Okay, because it's just odd. Okay, the answer is 1. Correct. Okay, Haula, you haven't gone yet. Your turn, Haula. Part E. 10.5% of 400 meter.
Can I do F?
Who wants to do F?
Me.
I'm asking to do E. Can you put it, it's the same as D, right? So the number, you put it into the numerator. So what should I write, Haula? Haula, where are you?
Hello?
What should I write as my working?
Hello,
10.5%.
can you hear me?
Sorry? Can you repeat, Haula?
10.5 over 10
Okay.
times
10.5 out of not 10.
100.
I mean of 100. Sorry.
Yes.
I think
Magic.
100 then come out from my mouth 10.
Okay, so magic number must always be 100. Can you calculate the answer? Use your
Can
calculator.
you calculator? Okay. 42.
42 meter. Correct. Okay. You wanted to do F also?
No,
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 I
no,
want
no,
to
no.
do. I want to
No,
do.
I already do one, is fine.
Okay, Shahada then. We'll go back to Shahada. Shahada, part F.
Okay. Wait, let me type my calculation whether it's correct.
Okay.
Whether it makes sense. Okay. 200, because it's percent. So 200 of 100 times 64.
Yep.
Equals 1 to 8.
Correct. Yes, your percentage can be more than 100. Basically, it is double. You always remember, kalau fraction, we have one whole pizza, correct? In percentage, the one whole pizza is 100%. So kalau ada 200, it's like having two pizzas, two holes, right? So two holes, 2 times 64 gives you 128 grams. Okay? All right, good. Shayan, you want to try part G? Mana Shayan? Adam want to try. Adam raise up his hand. You can try, Adam. This question ada funny sikit.
Uh,
Here's the funny part.
25 out of 100 times 1020.
Very nice. 1020. So basically, because 1 kilometer, 20 meters is two different unit of measurement, right? That's weird. So we've got to change it to one unit, either kilometers or meters. The easiest is always to change it to meters. So your 1 kilometer, it's 1,000 meter. Then you add, you plus with that 20. That's how Adam got 1,020. Okay, so then your answer would be 255 meters because kita dah tukar into meters. Okay, alright. Okay, last question for the day. Anybody want to try the last one?
Howla can do.
Aula, you want to try the last one?
How about Omar?
Shayan want to try. Okay, Shayan, let's go.
Is it 65 out of 100 times 1,800?
Very good. Yes, change the weird kilogram and gram into just grams. Very good. Then what's your answer?
1170.
1170. Correct. And it's in grams because you changed to grams. Okay. Well done, everybody. Okay, so you know how to do all this, Remember, okay, how to do all this. Okay, so I'll see you again next week, same time, 5 o'clock. All right. Thank you, guys. Selamat berbuka and take care.
Bye.
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 You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Shahaha. Shahaha.